I'm honored. And
Yes,
and
that's not for the
it will-
store. That's for you.
it will go next to my
That motherfucker.
next to my
That motherfucker
Skeletor
might
that you
sell it.
guys bought me that I still have
Yes, there you go,
proudly
buddy.
displayed.
Mm.
Well, thank you. Wow, I'm glad I'm wearing glasses. You can't see me cry.
Yes, yes, ladies and gentlemen, we all have the comic edition
It's
Grimlock.
a lot of love
I
on this
bought it-
podcast today.
I know.
Nah,
It's very weird. Are you sure you guys are not the
Nah,
ones drinking?
just nah. We're not drinking. You know why? You know why I bought it? Because when we were in the group chat, I say, "Hey, I bought it. You bought," and he said he didn't. I say, "Fuck." Let's go ahead and get it for him. It's only goddamn $60
Yeah.
bucks
$60.
or whatever.
That's like 4 lap dances for Frank. I don't go to those kind of places. But Frank goes to like at 9 o'clock in the morning, and they're like early bird discount.
Technically, that's 2 lap dances.
Oh man,
Yes.
okay.
Yeah, stupid.
Not that I know
All right.
anything about that kind of stuff.
Yeah, you do.
But I cannot wait